Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hardtravel.com, your AMA Waterways River Cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful AMA Prima. This particular category is a standard fixed window balcony. Categories D and E are the exact same inside. The only difference is where they're located here on the ship. Now I'm going to tour the room and review the amenities here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with AMA Waterways here in Europe, Africa, South America, or anywhere that AMA sails, make sure that you reach out to Hard Travel. We are your river cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, AMA Waterways is a highly immersive and inclusive experience. You're going to have several excursions to choose from each and every single day, all included in your ticket fare. What I love about that is you can get the classics where you explore the different palaces and castles and museums, but in addition to that, you can also choose their active options. You can head on out for a hosted bike ride, take a bike out to explore yourself, or go on one of the hikes. In addition to all of those inclusions, you're going to have some phenomenal dining options here on board. You'll have breakfast, lunch, and dinner each and every single day. They'll have complimentary tapas in the lounge. And then on top of all of that, you're gonna get that fantastic chef's table experience in the aft of the ship, where you'll have a delicious wine-paired meal, where the chef will come out, discuss what it's all about, and of course, review the wine pairings. Now, all of that combines with an amazing crew to create an incredible river cruise experience. Now let's tour this room. Now, it is important to understand that if you're going to book the 100 corridor, those are all the rooms down here, you're going to use this staircase to access your rooms. They don't have an elevator that goes all the way down. If you would prefer elevator access, you're going to want to book up on deck 2 or deck 3. Now, when you walk in the door, you've got your temperature controls to the side, you've got a couple coat hooks here, and then we're going to find the storage. So you've got shelves all the way up and down for storage. You're going to find those extra comfy Waffle bathrobes, and you'll have the slippers as well you can utilize throughout your time here. In here, you're going to find your hanging storage. It goes all the way across up top, all the way down below. They'll bring as many hangers as you'd like to use, and it's all about the little touches. You're going to find the umbrellas that you can utilize throughout your time here in Europe. Now, directly across is the bathroom. We're going to step inside. You'll see that you've got a small vanity here. There's going to be storage behind the mirror. It's also where you're going to find your European plug. Now, I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the space, and then of course utilize them for the pre and post hotel stay. You've got a bit of storage underneath, those highly upgraded bath amenities, and then you're also going to find the magnifying mirror. Now, I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I'm going to step into the shower to show you I do fit all right in here. You're going to have the adjustable shower wand that goes up and down, a nook for the bath amenities, and you'll also have that rainfall shower head up above. Now, as we step into the bedroom, you see you have the bed together in a large queen configuration. They can also separate it apart into two twins upon your request. In that case, the nightstand would move to the middle so that you have a little bit more separation. Either way, you've got room underneath the bed where you can tuck your bags away completely, and you'll have a nightstand on either side where you can also tuck your belongings away. You'll have a lamp on either side, and then you'll also find your alarm clock. You've got two chairs and a table tucked to the side. Perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning. And then directly across, you're going to find your vanity that doubles as a writing desk. Now, I mentioned that you're going to have included excursions, and I love what AMA's done with these Quiet Vox devices. So you'll take this with you, you'll tap it on your guide's sign, and that's going to sync it up with them so you can hear exactly what your guide is going over. What this means is you can wander just a bit and hear all the fantastic stories and their in-depth knowledge. Now, you can sit here to get ready. You've got a nice large mirror with a light up above, your phone's tucked just to the side, and then you're also going to find your iMac. Now, you can utilize that as a computer. There's also a remote control, so you can utilize it as a television from your bed. Just up above here, you're going to find your safe. It's a good size safe, a little bit of storage up above, and then down below you'll have a drawer. This is where you're going to find a little bit more storage, and then underneath here you're going to have your mini fridge. Now, these rooms are mostly below the water level. You're gonna have two fixed windows up above. I lovingly call these my swan view rooms because when you wake up in the morning and you're docking in a new beautiful location, oftentimes you'll see a swan sailing by. Now, when you're ready to book this particular room or any room or suite with AMA Waterways, make sure you reach out to Hard Travel. We are your river cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.